In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a CMS from Framer step by step. Whether you added a CMS by mistake, no longer need dynamic content, or just want to clean. Lit up your project. This simple guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Framer project and locate the CMS element you want to remove. Once you see it on the canvas or in the layers panel, go ahead and click on that layer so it's selected. I'm sure you're selecting the correct CMS element before moving forward. Next, right-click on the selected CMS layer and click on Delete. Framer will show a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to delete it. Simply click Delete again to confirm. This will remove the CMS element or even the entire CMS-based page, depending on what you selected. After that, look for the CMS icon in Framer. Click on this icon to access all the CMS collections connected to your project. From here, you'll see a list of different CMS collections you've created. Select the CMS collection you want to remove, then click on Delete. Once confirmed, that CMS collection will be completely removed. You can repeat this same process to delete any other CMS collections you no longer need, keeping your project clean and organized. If you want to remove a CMS entirely, you can also right-click directly on it and click Delete. This fully clears it from your project without affecting other non-CMS elements. Once everything is deleted, switch back to the normal view, and you'll see that the CMS has been successfully removed. No extra steps, no complicated settings. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily remove CMS elements and collections in Framer without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and I found this tutorial helpful.